Today we're going to explore another tool you can use to benefit your navigation and productivity inside of Striven. This tool is called your Favorites. Favorites can be accessed and added while viewing any page inside of Striven. To add a favorite, simply visit a page that you view often while logged inside of Striven. For instance, if I'm always viewing my list of sales orders, I can click Customers and Orders. And then I can hit the little star up here, which will add the page to my Favorites menu. The star will turn from blue to gold, meaning that it's been added to my favorites. All I need to do is refresh the page, and I'll have a helpful icon to get me to the sales order screen while viewing any page inside of Striven. For instance, if I'm on my dashboard, instead of navigating to Customers and Orders, now all I have to do is click my favorite. Instantly, I'm in the sales order screen with one click. Any page can be made a favorite, and it's as simple as clicking the star to make it possible. Once you have favorites added, you can manage them by clicking the star at the top of Striven. Here you'll have a list of all your favorites that have been added to the menu. And if I click Manage Favorites, this will allow me to edit and rearrange my favorites as needed. If I need to edit a favorite, all I need to do is click on the name. This will give me a list of options, including changing the name of my favorite, revising the URL, choosing whether or not I show in the icon bar, whether or not I show it in the favorites menu, and I can also change the icon color to make it a more favorable look. If you work remotely a lot and access Striven from a mobile device, such as an iPhone or an Android phone, the favorites menu is very mobile friendly in terms of viewing and selecting your favorites. Once I have my favorite ready, I can come down here and click Save, and that will update all my changes. When I close out of the pop-up menu, I can then refresh my screen and see the change in my favorite. There's no limit to how many favorites you can have on your top bar, and you'll find that by using favorites, there's no limit to what you can accomplish.